and caters to your needs, making every journey a step towards better well-being. For the ultimate peace of mind, imagine your car integrating with your smart home. Picture this. As you approach your driveway after a long day, your home springs to life. Your favorite relaxation playlist begins to play softly, creating an aura of tranquility that welcomes you. The room temperature adjusts to your preference, setting the perfect ambience for rest and relaxation. This is not a distant dream, but a reality made possible by the convergence of automotive and smart home technology. Your car, equipped with advanced connectivity features, communicates with your smart home, ensuring a seamless transition from your drive to your downtime. It becomes more than just a vehicle. It's a bridge between the hustle and bustle of the outside world and your personal sanctuary. It takes the reins, allowing you to continue your wellness journey the moment you step out of your car and into your home. Your car ensures the seamless continuation of your well-being routine. Of course, challenges remain. As we steer towards this horizon of wellness-focused luxury driving, we must navigate through a few bumps on the road. The accuracy of biofeedback data is paramount. Your car needs to read your stress levels, heart rate, and even brain waves with absolute precision. And then there's the issue of potential distractions. Can a massage seat or an in-car workout become a hazard? We need to ensure these features enhance your well-being without compromising safety. Data privacy is another crucial concern. In an era where data is the new gold, we must protect the intimate biofeedback data these cars will collect. Last but not least, democratizing luxury wellness is essential. These features shouldn't be exclusive to top-tier models, but accessible across different price points. So gearheads, get ready for a future where your car becomes more than just a mode of transport. It becomes a haven for your well-being.